You are watching Xavi's Brix. Brix.
Today I'm going to be building this Lego Minecraft swamp. Now I'm going to open it, and this is the first time my brother Apollo is recording. Now I'm going to open it, take out the bags and the instructions. Now I'm opening the bags and building Alex with an iron axe. Then put it right next to the box. Then gonna craft the zombie. Put the slime. Make the TNT. Then start making the base. Because this is called the Mangrove Mayhem. And now I'm going to put the lily pad with the frog. Yeah, they made a new mob. They're making new mobs like the warden, the frog, the lay, and the choker. So I'm putting the frog in the front. Well, it's one of those frogs that are One Piece too. But I like the Minecraft one. There once was a ship that... Okay, I'm gonna finish this. Now I'm making flour that you find in swamps. Now I'm making the frog. Now I'm putting the crafting table there. Then there's a mechanism that makes the TNT.
Mechanism!
And then there's a slime. And then babies taste amazing on ball.
Which episode was it in?
What did I say that one? Now I'm gonna finish the tree. It is episode number 8. Now I'm gonna put the TNT there, take out Alex, place her down. Now get the zombie. This is the first Lego set. This is the first zombie I ever had. No, that's not even a zombie. And I did not mean that babies were delicious. Babies are smell good. Don't forget to like and subscribe.